Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the TORRYZA Smartwatch for children and adults of course too. It's a watch, phone for girls and boys with touch screen, with music player, with games, with a camera, alarm clock. It's a smartwatch with calling function if you insert a SIM card. This awesome device here is really cool because it is so easy to use. It's available in different colors. You can choose between 3 colors on the market. It's really cool. In this case, it's the black version of it, the black version. And the only thing you will need is you do not need another smartphone for it. You only need a SIM card, the micro SD card, which is included, and of course you will need an power supply. For example, your smartphone AC adapter to reload the battery, which is built in, of course. This is the 2022 new release. It's a kid phone with a 1.54 inches HD touchscreen for wide and bright view for kids. It comes with a new cute style design for 3 up to 16 years old boys and girls. Built in 7 games, 3 alarms, a recorder, a calculator, a dial, an MP3 music player, an SOS function, push twice on the button on the right side for SOS function, an address book, and a photo album. It supports downloaded MP3 music from your computer to the microSD card. It comes with a clear sound in this price range and an adjustable volume. You can choose between different language settings. It has a 380 milliampere hour lithium battery. It is a kids alert alarm clock with calculators and recorders. It can be set to silent mode as not to interference with children's study time, of course. This clock contains 7 different puzzle games. A built-in 7 education puzzle games in the smartwatch itself. Children can play them to train their brains. It is a great gift, either for birthday, for example, or of course for Christmas time. After we are inserting a SIM card, we can use this two-way function to connect with our kid anywhere and anytime. Because the SIM card is to locate this watch and of course to communicate with that watch. You can call with the watch or via the watch. It is like a smartphone after it, okay? We can also set up the contacts through the phone book function on the smartwatch. It's convenient for kids to contact us. It supports 2G micro SIM cards and of course the micro USB card. And you can start and have fun with it. This is the awesome kid smartwatch by TORRYZA. We have, for example, different things here to do. For example, to get started, power on and off. On the right side, we have one button on that watch here. We press and hold the power button to power on, the same to shut off the system. Before we switching on the watch, we make sure that the battery is properly installed in the device, of course. And if the device fails to turn on, this could be caused by a low battery power. So reload it first, then let go. So we will now go to charging. We remove the silicon plug on the USB charging port, and then we connect the micro USB end of the cable to the watch and the other to the USB charger. Then it's full charged, and we can start and have fun with that watch. The SES function. We remove the rear cover of the battery of the watch first. Then we follow the direction of the symbol and insert the micro SIM card into the slot. Finally, we install the battery and we back the cover in sequences. Then we are ready for the SOS function. We can push twice the button and job's done. SOS function works. To install a SIM card, we remove the rear cover and the battery of the watch. Then we can see two slots there. We have on the left side, we have the micro SD card slot, and on the right side, or in the center, I think, it is placed for a SIM card. And then we can start with the SIM functions. We can set the time by using the phone, the screen, because it's a touch function. Then we can make a quick dial. We can use the camera system. We can see an album. We can record a little bit. We can switch on and off the alarm, the alerts, and we have a calculator, for example. And it looks really cute how the operation system works. It looks really cool. I think the focus with that smartwatch here is the kids. Okay, the kids are the focus, but it's really cool. It's really easy to perform. It makes okay and good videos in this dimension and this price range. I think it's good enough for it. It makes it looks cool. It's available in black. It's available in blue and pink. And then you can start it with it. Really awesome. This is the TORRYZA Smartwatch for children in focus. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. And take care. The watch is not waterproof. Soon. And the other thing is, you will not need a smartphone for connecting, okay? It is a standalone smartwatch here. You can use it without a SIM card, okay? It's no problem to use it, but for the full function, you will need a SIM card. But you do not, this is not a have to, okay? You can do it, you don't must, okay? This is the TORRYZA Smartwatch for children. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.